I'll start. I want to ask all of you who like to wear sneakers. Wow, many. It's my customer. You know why? Because I'm an expert too. We like this too bright. It's the ugly sneaker too bright. Yeah. And I'm Sothearoth is the co-founder and CEO of Bright Sneaker Laundry. You know why I started? Because my husband. I'm really saying thank you for my husband, who is the person that make my dream come true. I want to be a business owner, and I just can't find the good solution for my husband, and I can make my dream come true. It's very amazing. You know why? Because my husband had the problem with the shoe ugly, and my husband said me that please do it right because you can help me help my family and help my friend. Why? Many people need you, need your service. Please do it. And then bride coming. And I done. It is the big successful one that. It is the big successful one that I just think that one day I just have only 10 pairs is enough for me and my business is grow. But now it's the big number. Only 1 year I got 18,000 pairs. It's very big success. Yeah. And the key success for Bright Sneaker Laundry is my customer likes my service, and my customer comes again and again. Especially my customer call our family, our friend is coming, and they are very happy, and me happy also because just get my husband problem, and I can help many people also. And already sneaker is easy to wear, but difficult to clean, right? Yes, because it is my problem. Sneaker is fashionable, is comfortable to wear, but don't know how to clean and don't know where is I can go to clean. And for Bright Sneaker Laundry is have 3 service is basic clean, bright spa, and yellow. And the special one is the bright spa. And we have the expert care, because I have the key one for my business. I go to other country to learn about this expert. And yes, for the bright spa, we use the Bright Sneaker Laundry. You will have the easy life. Yeah, you can save time, save money, and especially save your environment also. Yes, the last one. If you need my service and you want to be convenient for walking, is with wear sneaker. Please need. I can help you to be a bright sneaker. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.